Many parents who have not experienced an education in the UK have inaccurate perceptions of school life and have unrealistic expectations of their children's schools. Brothers and sisters, as you all know, or all of you who have been to school here know, that schools are designed only to educate. They are judged on exam results. Hence their focus is exclusively on academics. What schools do not provide and never promise to provide is a strong moral upbringing for our children. During term time, school takes up most of our children's time. And if one or both parents work, they may return home at 5 or 6 or even later, leaving very little time to spend with their children. Now, this does not absolve parents of their constant responsibility to raise their children. We must realize, brothers and sisters, that if we do not raise our children, someone else will raise them for us. And we may not approve of their values or of their worldviews,